Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet this very simple scarf with fringes. I show you a few pictures. For your scarf you can use thicker yarn, thinner yarn, one color or more colors. I have crocheted in these 4 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not paid promotion, but this is yarn Alize alpaca tweed. And change color. This is the front side and this is the back side. And this is this. Is chain stitches color 1. First row color 1, second row color 2. And row 21 is the middle, and I have 41 rows. If you want, you can stop this video or you can make your color change. We need 2 crochet hooks. Thicker I use number 5 mm for chain stitches, and thinner 4.5 mm for wall scarf, and marker. Let's begin. We crochet the scarf lengthwise, not widthwise. For this video I use dark yarn, but light yarn is not good for background. And I start with the thicker crochet hook. I leave yarn of 15 cm long for the fringes, and I start with the knot stitch and crochet chain stitches. For my scarf I have crocheted 290 chain stitches. Now I crochet only 20 or 30. And the last one. Now leave yarn 15 cm long, pull yarn and mark the last stitch. From now on I crochet with the thinner crochet hook. I start again 15 cm long yarn, knot stitch, and first row I start on this side and we crochet not in these stitches but in these back stitches, and very simple, one single crochet in every stitches. Then looks our edge better. One single crochet in every back loops. In the last stitch. Now chain 1, 50 cm long yarn, pull yarn and mark this last stitch. Now we can put another color and start again 15 cm knot stitch and start in this last stitch, but now we crochet in the back loops. Very simple, one single crochet in every stitches, but only in the back loops. This is the rib pattern or ribbing pattern. Now looks like this, and you can crochet so many rows. How many do you want? And last stitch, chain 1, pull yarn, mark the last stitch. Now you can put another color, again knot stitch, and one single crochet in every stitches, but only in the back loops. It's very simple, and now looks like this and like this. See you later. The last row you crochet the same like the another rows before. At the end with the chain stitch, pull yarn, and this is our scarf. If you want more fringes like me, then we will do a few more. We make another fringe on each rib of our pattern. We take yarn twice as long as our fringe, fold it together, and now through the rib, pull yarn, and now these two ends through this loop, and pull yarn, and this is the fringes, and our scarf is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.